Hi guys, happy Monday. So, as I kind of suspected, it looks like Mayan is not working right now. The text is not pulling up, it's not opening. So, we're going to be flexible and we are going to be doing something different. So, we're still going to be focusing on theme. We're still going to be reading a folktale slash fable. This time it's just going to be in the app called Common Lit. So this is the page that looks like yours, Clever. I'm on a student page. I'm going to scroll down till I find an icon that looks like this. It's kind of like a blue color. It has this book. So I'm going to click on Common Lit. And I am going to go to the My Assignments tab. So when you log in, you may log into this page, but click on over to My Assignments. Scroll down until you find the assignment called Lazy Anansi. Once you find it, you will click on this and click Begin Assessment. And here it kind of gives you a background, a little background information about what you're about to read. So it says, in this folktale from Ghana, a country in West Africa, a lazy spider named Anansi learns an important lesson. As you read, take notes on how Anansi interacts with his friends. So you'll just press got it. So what you're going to do is you will read the text and then you're going to answer a few questions. There are 5 questions. So you have today and tomorrow to complete this, and then I will see how Mayan is working later today, and we will possibly do the best nest that I had assigned for you. If not, we will do another Common Lit story. All right, let me know if you have any questions.